Hi guys, so today we are going to discuss about solubility and solubility product, and we are going to derive the expression between the two. So that is our first topic, and that is what we are going to complete. Hope you have gone through the first video, that is the introduction part. If you have not gone through, then please go through the first video, that is the solubility product introduction part, and after that watch this one. Okay, so we shall start. Our topic is solubility and solubility product. So at this moment we already know by what we denote solubility product, right? We denote it by Ksp, and we will denote solubility by S. Okay, S. So first of all we will consider a salt. Which salt we will consider? That AXBY wala. AXBY. Now by now you should be able to find out the dissociation products of it. So क्या लिखेंगे इसको? A Y plus B X minus. Then I will balance X Y. ठीक है? So what is solubility? Solubility is when a salt dissociates into its ions inside water, right? Dissociates into free ions inside water. So these are the free ions in which it is dissociating. ठीक है ना? So this is the salt. Definitely we are talking about a sparingly soluble salt. That means all this salt has not dissociated. A little part has dissociated. So little part has dissociated means that part has been soluble in water. So let us take that part. So S moles per liter of AXBY. So we are assuming this, right? What we are assuming? We are assuming this value S. ठीक है? AXBY, S moles per liter of AXBY has dissociated. ठीक है? इसका मतलब क्या है? इसका मतलब ये है, पहले आपके पास से A moles था, ठीक है? A moles था. Now you put it in water. ठीक है? So what happened? The dissociation started. Within that A moles, a little amount which we will consider as S moles. So S moles per liter of AXBY has dissociated. ठीक है? So at the start of the reaction, let's take this as A moles. I am not taking this is a reaction I am saying time to time, but actually it is dissociation inside the water. ठीक है? So at the start it was A. This were 0. Now how many moles per liter has dissociated into water? S. So A minus S. So how many moles of A is going to get produced? Remember, how much has reacted? S has reacted. This part S has reacted. If S has reacted, X into S moles will be produced, right? Clear? And here Y into S moles will be produced. Clear up till now? Okay. So in the last class we have already found out the expression of Ksp. So what was the expression of Ksp? Ksp expression is concentration of the ions inside water, right? Concentration of ions inside water. So here it is Y plus, here it is X minus. So we are going to multiply the concentration of ions inside water, right? This was Ksp, solubility product. Concentration of ions inside water has to be multiplied. Now this condition only prevails when at equilibrium. So this place is at equilibrium. And in case of solubility, what does equilibrium mean? Equilibrium means saturation. ठीक है ना? So this is the condition of saturated solution. Equilibrium means saturation. Don't forget this. Okay? Equilibrium means saturation. So now we will do this. So this part is how much? XS. So we know as per law of mass action we also have to put a power of X. Here it is YS. We have to put a power of Y. After that we can write X to the power X into Y to the power Y, and in top of S there is X and in top of this S there is Y. So what will happen? Exponential, do you remember this one? You studied in class 9th. A to the power m plus n. So this is x plus y. Clear? So x to the power x into y to the power y is into s to the power x plus y. So that is the formula for solubility product. Now does this formula relate? Does this formula relate the solubility with solubility product? Yes, because solubility is Ksp and solubility product is Ksp and solubility is S. So if you see, and actually this will be some numbers, right? X and y, this all will be some numbers while we take some real salts. So we are going to practice now with some real salts. So let's take some real salts and let's find out the solubility product. Okay. So let's take first PbBr2. See, while you find out the expression for solubility product, use this method. This will be fast because at the end of the day you will be giving competitive examination where you need to find out the answers very fast. So underline this separately first. Don't get confused. Underline this separately first. ठीक है? इस पे एक ही है. So put S. हो गया. इसको S. लेकिन there are two Br, right? So 2S. And put 2 like this. So it will be 4s cube. Understood? Do one by yourself. Okay, we will take Ag2CrO4. Ag2CrO4. So please do this one, Ag2CrO4. So what we will do? First we will underline this one, then you will underline this one. There are 2 Ag. So 2s and upper mein 2. And here there is only one chromate. So S. So it will be again 4s cube. ठीक है. Next we will take calcium fluoride, CaF2. What we will do? We will underline this 2. For calcium we get S. For fluorine there are 2 fluorine, so 2s whole square. Again we are getting 4s cube. Okay. Let's take something else now. Clear? You are able to do it. That is very important. At the end of the day, if you are not able to do it, then this teaching or this lecture is futile. Okay? If you are able to do it, then it is very useful. Next, zirconium phosphate. I am taking this because this came once in JEE Main. So it is an important one and it's a little bit tricky, nothing else. So no tricks are there. If you follow the same thing, it will do. Underline this separately. This is 3 zirconium, so 3s whole cube, 4 phosphate, so 4s whole to the power 4 हो गया, 3 to the power 3, 4 to the power 4, s to the power 7. ठीक है? Okay, clear? Next we can do ferric hydroxide. What will do in ferric hydroxide? Iron only 1, so s into hydroxide 3 are there, so 3s whole cube. So 3 whole cube means 27 and it will be s to the power 4. So this is how you will find out the expressions for solubility product. Hope you have understood. Now the significance of S and Ksp, very important. Don't forget this because this is very important. Why? Because many a times we confuse solubility with solubility product. Never do that. Somebody may have more solubility product, but he or she may have, I cannot name the compounds as he or she, whatever it is. ठीक है ना? A compound may have huge solubility product, but that doesn't mean the compound will have high solubility. Like if you see over here, I have got, in case of FeOH whole thrice, I got 27 s to the power 4. So this is a solubility product. Okay. Now say this is, let's take this as 50. Okay, and let's take this one 3 cube 4 to the power 4 s to the power 7. Let's take also this as 50. Does this mean that the solubility of both the salt are same? The Ksp is the same. I have written the Ksp as same arbitrarily. Does this mean the solubility is same for both? No, because solubility is this S. So this S you need to calculate. Okay, from this formula, from this equation, you need to calculate the S. That you can easily calculate by using calculators or by your mind. That depends on you how you want to do it, right? We have already done this kind of things. Okay, so you can easily understand that which S is higher, whichever S is higher, if the S is higher, then the solubility will be more. Just by blindly seeing that Ksp is more, so solubility also will be more, don't do this mistake, because this problem has been asked in various times in NEET, once in JEE Main. ठीक है ना, they have given you Ksp and they have asked you that write the order of solubility. So remember this small things, don't get in a hurry, just calculate the solubility and do it. ठीक है. So this is all about solubility and solubility product. So we have already found out the expression for solubility and solubility product. So take lot of salts and try to find out, take any salts, make any salts within any metals and non-metals, or radicals and normal basic radicals and your acidic radicals, make salts and try to find out the expression for solubility product. Meanwhile, we will be discussing in the next video the significance of solubility product and its comparison with ionic product and how does it affect the solubility. Thank you.